Hey, because I'm going to be on YouTube, and welcome back to the Sneaky V YouTube channel. My name is Darius. I brought you guys along today because I'm going to be installing some new springs on my ported LS3 heads here. These are basically stock heads, and as such they come with stock springs. These stock springs are rated at about 270 something pounds, I think, of pressure, and that just won't do for a performance engine. The reason that you want to install some heavier springs onto a performance engine is because when you get up into the RPMs, the camshaft can actually, as it's coming around, toss the lifters up off of the camshaft, and it'll float the valve open for longer than you want it to be open. So yeah, you don't want that. It can also cause the valve to, when the valve closes back up, it can actually bounce on its seat, and that also causes you to lose cylinder pressure. So I bought these new 400 and something pound springs to install instead of the stock springs. I've gone ahead and gotten a couple of them started, and decided to start up the camera and bring you guys along for the trip. Also, I went ahead and sent my cylinder block out to the machine shop. As you can see, it's not over there in the corner anymore, so that's being worked on. We're making progress on that. So yeah, I'm gonna set you guys over here on my other little camera stand and put you guys on time lapse and get to work. So here we have it. All of the springs are on, as you can see here. The other head I might do off video or set you guys on a faster time lapse, because this one took me a full 31 minutes to do, 30 something minutes to do. Doing two of them would make for an incredibly, probably pretty long, boring video of just like watching me put these things on. I might go ahead and do the pedestals that the rocker arms sit on as well, just to get that knocked out. But I won't be putting the rocker arms themselves on just yet, because they're over here in the corner sitting in a bath of oil, and I don't feel like dealing with a bunch of oil right now. Plus, if I take them out of the oil, then like they might dry up before I get the engine block back and actually start getting this stuff put together, and I'd rather just have them waiting in the oil, ready to go. So I think I'm gonna set you guys back up over here on the time lapse again and take the video just in case I decide to use it, and knock out this other head. And there you have it, folks. All 16 springs, all the retainers, all of the locks are in place. I decided not to go ahead and put the pedestals on for the rocker arms because I don't know how my push rods are gonna fit up, and I might need to shim them up or something. So I'm not gonna put those on yet. I'm gonna do those in the later step. But as far as these heads themselves go, they're pretty much ready to go on the engine. Like I said, I do still have to install the rocker arms. Also, this little doohickey here that you guys see me use to put the valve springs on and take them off is a valve spring compressor tool. You have to be careful when buying them because they're made specifically for different types of heads. This one was made for the L92 LS3 heads and certain other heads, but it won't work on all heads, so you have to be careful about that. Also, the springs, I didn't tell you guys about this, but these are not the first springs that I bought. I actually bought some more that were a little bit higher pressure, higher spring rate than these, but they were too big to actually fit into this because there's a little space down there that you have to fit them into, and they were a couple tenths of an inch too big, so I had to actually drive hour and 40 minutes back down to McDonough and pick up some different springs. So yeah, that happened, or I would have been out of like $299. But they gave me a credit for these, and I spent an extra like $53 to get these. I don't know why they were that much more expensive since the other ones were heavier weight. I guess it's because they're smaller and they still get kind of close to the first one's weight. But yeah. But anyways, the battery's about to die on my little camera here, so I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Peace out.